Hello, friends. So, told you this car lot was closing, and they gave us some of their chemicals. So this is called High Tech Quick Shot. It's aerosol dressing. So, this is the BMW. You're thinking, oh my God, are you really going to try that on there? I am. I definitely am. But only right here. It says to spray it on there, and after a few minutes, you can wipe off the excess. So, let me show you. It gave it a shiny look. It's still wet. I'm feeling frisky. Bella, I need you to move, ma'am. Bella, move. This is gonna be in your face. It is oily. I mean, but like not hardly at all. It says to allow it to penetrate for a few minutes. Allow to penetrate for a few minutes. Then remove any excess if necessary. So I sprayed here, and I sprayed the what do you call that? Threshold? I don't even know what you call that. Door jamb? Okay, so we'll be back in a couple minutes. Alrighty. That looks good. It feels good. I have nothing to complain about. Nothing at all to complain about. Look at that. Gives it a pretty darn good shine. We'll give it a couple of minutes and then I'll come back and wipe off the excess. oily feel. It did leave it slick. I like it. I mean, it's just some old stuff. I like it. And to show you, I put it right here also. I like it. It smells good too, to be honest. But I think it did a good job. I used the McGuire's All Natural, or the Natural Protectant right here, but this one, not too bad. And this car's not looking bad at all. So, the High-Tech Quick Shot did a good job, I thought. Left a good finish. And it's not oily, it's not sticky. It feels good, I like it. Yeah, not sticky at all, I like it. But it did a good job. And who knows, if I like it that much, I might go and see how much of it is still around. Maybe High-Tech is still making it. Well, this High-Tech Quick Shot actually did a good job, a lot better than I was expecting. So, it's not sticky, it's not oily, it's just, I mean, no oils, no stickiness. I like it. It did a good job. So, High-Tech Quick Shot. Not bad. And here I was expecting to have to wash that crap off fast. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. See you later.